Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 20th to 26th of July, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, now so for my Pisces from 20th to 26th of July, let's see what are the energies, what is the universe telling you for this coming week. Pisces 20th to 26th of July, please. Alright. Okay, some kind of ending and new beginnings. You're very positive. Whatever might end, you are very positive at the end. Okay, so I can feel over here that there is some kind of ending in your life, but you know this ending is actually for a new beginning, and which you actually feel that this beginning is coming towards you. You are very positive for that thing. Might be an ending. So the core the main card, the core energy, the core situation is death. Something is ending. With the justice card, it means that might be with someone whom you were lawfully attached. That means might be a marriage for some people, so this might be a divorce for some people, and you are moving towards, you actually wanted this thing to end, and because this was not serving you very nicely, so that is why you were very happy to end this bad thing from your life. For some people it might be a job which was not serving you correct. I really feel that this is more of a how to say this is more of a family issue. I can feel over here that you are ending a bad marriage or bad relationship as well. Okay, so let's see what is this death card about. The Fool and Ace of Cups. Yes, so you are ending this thing because you actually are very enthusiastic to start something new, and you are in that mode, my dear. See, with the death card, this transformation is coming in up in your life. You've ended this to enter into new beginning. The Fool, see how the Fool is 0. It means that you are entering with the Ace of Cups. Might be a new love relationship as well. So you have ended a very bad karmic cycle with a person you were dealing with. Might be married to this person as well, and this was not your soulmate. You never found that love from this person, and when you found the love, you were already married, but you somehow you managed to take a divorce, and you are moving with the other person with whom you are dealing with, and you're very happy for that. Let's see, Justice, the Tower, and the 8 of Swords. Yes, so the problem was the bad restrictions. You were being restricted by this person a lot. This person used to just he or she used to try and impulse force on you, like you cannot do this, you cannot go there, you cannot go here. So that kind of a thing, I feel that you were actually dealing with, this very bad karmic cycle you were dealing with. So let's see what's your subconscious energy. Subconscious is already 9 of Pentacles. So that means you subconsciously you are very independent because you are very happy for this beginning with the Sun card. Wow. And let's see with the 9 of Pentacles again. So you knew that if I will end this bad cycle over here, I will become independent and I will do whatever I wanted to do. So wow, Pisces, I really love you for this. The way you are growing, the way you are glooming, I am like, oh wow, I want this energy as well. Okay, so let's see what are your conscious energy, because subconsciously you know that that actually not actually this is something subconsciously you are not feeling. You don't know that whether you are independent or not, because this is subconscious energy. So subconsciously you are actually independent, but you don't know, you are not aware of that. So I'm telling you that you are finally independent. Let's see. Wow. Okay, so your conscious energy, you know that you are the Queen of Rods. She is also very independent. She is someone who is a very good businessman. You might be entering into fashion field because the way she dresses, she is very beautiful. Look how her hair is too short, and the way she is carrying herself, you know that. You might be having a Leo in your chart as well, and you are moving towards happiness, and you are moving towards the calmer water. So you have decided that I'm not going to take this bad experience or this bad things a long way in my life. You have told yourself. Okay, in your past, the World card is here. Let's see what are the past energies. Okay, so there were some kind of confusion in the past because the person with whom you were dealing with, he or she was not a very good person. There was deception, but with the World card in your past energy, it means that this thing is over and you are ready to move on with your new life. It made you a little confused before, but now I don't see there's any confusion anymore. You have finally decided, because for the world in your past card and Fool over here, it means that you have that cycle, you are ending to start a new cycle with the Fool. Let's see the Tower in your future energies. Yes, so this is your future energies. That means if your divorce has not been ended, or whatever, this relationship has not been ended, so it is coming to an end in the coming I guess it will be like around September October season. So it might be that place, and you might even contact some people whom you actually, or if a new person has not entered your life yet, so he or she might enter in your life, and you will be having a very beautiful, passionate kind of a relationship the way you want it. So good things are coming up, just hold on. So let's see what are your energies with King of Swords over here. You have decided, you are like, no, I'm not going to continue with this thing because I am okay. So with the King of Swords clarified by the High Priestess and the Justice, it means that the justice has been finally served to you because you have taken this step. So if this is a divorce process, so yes, you have become very cold hearted towards this person now, because this person never gave you the happiness you wanted, and now you have also become really cold towards them. You have finally decided to move on with your life because you actually you have started thinking about yourself now. Before you were always like, I will do whatever this person will tell me, I will do whatever to make this person happy, I will do everything. But when you saw that you are not receiving that kind of a love, then you actually started thinking about yourself and your happiness, and finally you actually attained that mode where you actually started thinking about yourself. So let's see the people around you, the environment around you with the 10 of Pentacles over here. Let's see 9 of Swords and 3 of Wands. Okay, so I really feel that now this person with whom you were dealing with is actually wanting you back. So they are waiting for a message or some kind of closure. Not closure, they want something like, if this divorce might not happen, they want this. If you do not end this relationship, because you are done from your side, it's done, and from their side, they were the ones who left you at the first place. They were the ones who tricked you, who actually deceived you. But as the time grew, you actually started thinking about yourself. Then you realized that your happiness is much more. And now this person is like, this person is crying now, and he is actually wishing for that 10 of pentacles, that mode when you both were in, you both were happy at some time. Yes, I can see that there were some happy moments with you which you both shared, and that person is remembering that time, but not anymore. You are not anymore thinking about that time. You are only thinking about yourself now, and that is good. Self-love isn't selfish, right? So let's see what is the guidance card over here. The Moon, 7 of Cups and 4 of Pentacles. So okay, so for some of you, you might have not yet told this person that you are going to leave them, or you have already applied for a divorce, or you are already looking for new apartments, new places, new job opportunities. You haven't told them yet that you, because when you will leave the person, you will go just unnoticed. It will basically you will just leave this person, and then you will be, boom, you will be vanished. Nobody would able to find you. So that is what you are trying to hold on your secret. Basically, you are being secretive a little bit over here. So your thoughts and your actions are inside you right now. So you have not told everything to this person, but yes, you are not going to be with this person anymore. Let's see at the end outcome. What is the Strength card? The Moon and the King of Pentacles. So this is you, so beautiful, looking at yourself. You are, how you are caressing this lion, and see, you are loving yourself at the end. And with the Moon and King of Pentacles, it is more like you are, yes, you are being a little secretive. Might be a very beautiful opportunity is in your hand, and you are not telling that thing to anyone, to this person as well. Or might be you are dealing with a person, might be a Capricorn or Virgo, yeah, so or Taurus. So might be Capricorn, Taurus or Virgo you are dealing with, and you have not told anyone about this new person which has come up in your life. Okay, so I really hope you liked my reading, Pisces, and that's all from my side. And thank you so much for watching. If you really liked it, please give a thumbs up, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.